The Monash IT Research Retreat is a 2-day retreat here at Cape Schanck Resort. Basically, it's about fostering collaboration between the graduate research students of the Faculty of IT.
I think it's a great opportunity that the university allowed us to have this time where it's like out of the box.
Ours is the only Faculty of Information Technologies within the one university in Australia.
Students attending this research retreat, they will get a rather wide picture of what kind of research can be done in IT and where their personal interests fit in.
Some of the people are working on clinical stuff, medical stuff. Some of them are working on psychology, sociologies and things which I could have been never aware of if I wasn't the part of this retreat.
Collaborative Research Challenge is actually the main academic feature of the Graduate Student Retreat 2018.
The Collaborative Research Challenge is designed to bring students together from different areas of the faculty, different research topics, so that they need to come together and design a research project that has all the different facets in it.
We propose a new method, data loading.
Because it's targeted to children under the age of 8.
So we are going to leverage that. We are going to use data mining with this public data.
To be successful as a researcher, to be successful as an R&D practitioner in industry, networking is actually the key.
Hello, my name is...
Learning how to break the ice. That first step of, hi, how are you? It's incredibly important. And also realizing that everyone has the same issue.
To get a chance to build connections can only benefit future careers.
That there is a huge diversity of cultures and people that have kids, that they don't have kids, different degrees and stages of the career. And hopefully that is again a resource for them to tackle and say, hey, can you help me? I'm having a trouble, or oh, can I help you? Are you okay? So both give and take.
We have events such as this retreat, so you're not just in your corner slaving away, you also get a chance to do the important things of socialising and doing the more informal communication.
The big challenge is humans. Humans are horribly unpredictable.
Being a student from New Zealand, I'm sometimes disconnected, so the retreats allowed me the opportunity to be a lot more connected moving forward.
It's not like every day you get to talk to your Dane. I met the Dane, I got to talk to him.
And we are kind of interacting with each other, we are meeting new people. So I feel proud after coming here, and it's kind of creating my identity as a Monash PhD candidate.